In the last video, we saw how to print a sentence or a string, and that is by writing print, opening and closing a bracket. Inside the brackets, putting two quotation marks. Now, inside the quotation marks, we can type anything we want, like hello world. Now, when we run this program, the output will be simply hello world, which is inside the quotation marks. So we can see the output is hello world. Now, today we will learn something called the pound character. Now, what is this pound character? It's simply the hashtag, this sign. So, what's the use of hashtag in Python? So, for example, if I write a code print hi and one more code print hello. So now I realize that I don't need this first line. So for that, I won't delete this whole line, but I'll simply put a hashtag in front of the code like this. So now the color of the code changed into red. This means that the code will be ignored by Python. So anything in front of the hashtag will be ignored by Python. So if I run this code, the output should be only hi and hello and not hello world. So let's run the program. As you can see, the output is hi and hello world. Sorry, hi and hello only and not hello world. Now, if I remove the hashtag and run the code, the output will be hello world, hi, and hello, like this. So, the purpose of an hashtag is to comment out any piece of code. Or, one more thing, we can, if we write, if we type the hashtag in after the code ends, then there will be no change for this part of the code. Anything we write in front of the hashtag, for example, this will be commented out or ignored. There's one more purpose of the hashtag symbol. For example, I forget what this code does. So I can put the hashtag symbol and write that this code prints hello. This way, I'll be reminded that this code prints hello. And whenever we run this file, this part will not be shown in the output because we know that whatever we write after the hashtag is ignored by Python. So if we run the file, we simply get the output as hello world, hi, and hello, and not this comment. So this is it for the video today, and I'll be back with more videos on Python for beginners. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.